Hey, what's up? Do a video, bro. Hey, go take this nigga, bro.
For real, I'm Lil J Chief from the Ratchet.
I'm Lil J Rock.
Watch out, bro. You can't take my man.
Hey, I'm Lil J Rock from Ratchet. Didn't tell you my nigga go roll with you, nigga. I'm out this bitch.
No.
You already know what this shit. I'm
Somebody
probably
else
in the
ass out of
pit.
here with me, nigga.
Probably in the pit, shit, thug.
Bitch. You already know what I'm from.
I ain't even got to
See the back RP, and you already know what it is. Go on. Go rule, nigga. I got a hot 16 for you pussy ass niggas when I'm back, my nigga. What's up, JP? Right there, what? Drunk, nigga. Come on, bro.